Hey there guys, welcome to the Holly again. Today we are going to be working on this TV that does not work right now. My parents' house was recently struck by lightning and all their TVs have some form of damage. These were, 3 out of 5 were protected by surge protectors, and 4 out of 5 are Samsungs, and all the Samsungs have the same issue. The one that was not was a Sony, and it only seems to have an HDMI card that is out. So I'm not sure if we're just going to live with that or replace that as well. So right now, this Samsung TV is exhibiting signs, I guess, of a bad power supply. The symptom that I have is that they have red standby lights that do not, or I'm sorry, they do come on whenever you turn the TV off, and this TV does not have any lights at all. So when I try and power it up, nothing happens, no lights flash on the front, nothing. So from watching other videos and doing a little bit of testing that I can figure out, I've kind of concluded that I think it's a bad power supply, which is the reason why that red standby light isn't even on. Now, if you were really good, you could probably isolate which one of these transistors, fuses, capacitors, whatever, one of these might be bad. I don't see any visual damage, signs of damage. The capacitors do not look blown or melted or blacked or oblonged. The fuse is a ceramic fuse, so I can't even see inside there. Maybe if it did go out, it would have some charring that would be more evident. I don't see anything. So what I've decided to do is, based on power supply possibly being bad, but me not knowing what I'm really looking at, the website that I purchased all my parts from, it's called shopjimmy.com, and they sell just that board, or they sell all this bundled together, so you can buy the power supply board, the video card board, these T-Con boards, and the Wi-Fi module for $54. So versus $45 or $44 just for the power supply board. I thought that I'll just buy them all. Shipping is $8, so I was like, I don't want to buy this and find out that this is my problem. Have to order this, pay, I don't know how much ever more this would be, and then plus $8 shipping. So for $10 more and I get it all, I'll just buy it that way. And I'll probably sell the other pieces on eBay afterwards to probably actually come out ahead had I just bought this alone. I imagine that this will be pretty smooth. It's plug and play here. I've already disassembled the top, so I'm ready to just go after it. Like I said, I've done a little bit of testing before. There's some leads here on the ribbon cables, and they tell you where, I guess this is converting AC current to DC current, and some of these will tell you that this is 5 volts, 13 volts, and if you do it right, you can see what's happening there. I'm not getting any readings at all, so I've just concluded I am going to replace that board right there. Like I said, I use Shop Jimmy. They come with a 180-day warranty on these parts, and you can buy the 1-year or 2-year warranty. So, kind of impressed so far. I've got cards in here, cards in here. They look so far pretty much identical. So, I'm just going to get to it. Flip it up, plug it in, and we're going to see what happens here. Hey guys, sorry, back again here. I actually took a break. I posted the video and everything that I had just finished, and then I realized that I didn't have any information on the cards themselves on here. So here I am next day trying to show you what actually happened. To recap, I was able to get the TV to fire back up, which it didn't do before, and it even located channels, so everything seems to work fine here, and I don't see any problems with the card that I did install. So that being said, that all worked out just fine. Again, that was a $55 kit that included the power supply board, the graphics supply card, I guess, the Wi-Fi module, and the T-Con boards. And so let me show you what I've got here. Like I said, you could buy this card just by itself for $45. This was the card that I pulled off. See if I can get any details as I get closer. So there's no blown capacitors or melted pieces or signs of heat damage on this card, but for some reason it did not work. So I replaced it. Sorry, one-man camera crew here. So I replaced this card and I put in the new one. And again, as far as numbers go, they've got these barcodes on the cards right here. They tell you the number. It says SEC serial number, I guess. I think the number you're specifically looking for is that this card was BN4400667A. And then the other cards are about the same as well. Can't get these out, but these are like T-Con cards. This is like BN9627252A. Here's your graphics card for your graphics card. Let's see. Sorry, this is also the Wi-Fi module, I believe, is in here. Oh, okay. So the graphics card also includes the controller for the TV. On the back of the TV, there's the power switch, so that's what that is. This might be the Wi-Fi right there. Include the ribbon cable, and as you can see, you've got your RCA jacks and your HDMI jacks, coax port, optical port, and USBs, HDMIs, and like a RJ45 cable, I believe. So that's that card. And this one is BN9406711J. So, like I said, all these cards are $55. I'll probably go on eBay, end up selling the cards that I didn't use, considering the only one I needed was the power supply card, and I'll be able to recoup some of my money back. Like I said, had I just bought the power supply card, it'd probably cost me more than to sell these in the long run on eBay. So, to conclude, TV works now. Power supply card was the cause. This Shop Jimmy retailer seems to be pretty good at matching up cards. I don't know if these are Samsung products or not, but they seem to work all right. Numbers match up, so that makes me happy. Actually, this card does say, has a tag and says Samsung on it, so maybe this stuff is original equipment. So there you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe below, Like I said, I'm going to put descriptions in the bottom with all this information on there, prices, maybe, but location where you can find all this stuff, definitely. If you have this same problem, I highly suggest you contact these people and get this taken care of. Thank you guys. Take care. Have a good day.